Antares had finally released the latest AutoTune plugin, AutoTune 2026. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get the free version of AutoTune 2026, and if you are cool with the free version, you save some money, then you go and buy the full version of the plugin. All right, Antares have not sponsored this video, but when it comes to mixing plugins, especially vocal pitch corrections, you can't mention brands without Antares. Antares have not sponsored this video, as I said, but we're gonna consider the free version of the latest AutoTune. If you are ready, let me show you right after the intro. What we're gonna do is to open our browser. All right, when you open your browser, I'm using Chrome, just search Antares AutoTune download. All right, search Antares AutoTune download, and guys, what you need to do is to click on AutoTune Central Software Download Manager. Yes, you're gonna click on this one. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. We wanna hit 7,000 subscribers. I'm pleading with you, help me to gain the subscribers fast. All right, please don't watch this video without subscribing. We want to gain 7,000 subscribers by the end of this month, so I'm pleading with you, help me to gain that. All right, so when you click on the first link, it's gonna take you to this place, AutoTune Central Software Download Manager. But we are not here for this AutoTune Central Download Manager. We are here for AutoTune 2026, the latest version of the plugin. All right, so next thing we're gonna do, I want you to click on product. Okay, so when you click on product, you can actually see AutoTune Unlimited, access over 20 vocal tools with free upgrades. All right, then you can also head over to AI powered vocal chain, where you're gonna get vocal prep, all right, one click noise remover and vocal isolation. Antares have not sponsored this video, as I said, but when it comes to plugins, they are also doing their best. All right, so next you can click on creative effect. All right, guys, I want to show you how you can actually get AutoTune 2026. So instead of going through creative effects, AI powered vocals, then AutoTune Unlimited, what I want you to do is to click on AutoTune Editions, professional pitch correction plugins, and if you watch here, you can see AutoTune Pro 11. So the next one is AutoTune 2026. We're gonna click on this particular one, AutoTune 2026. As you can see, the new version. All right, that's the latest version that Antares have brought. All right, so guys, we're gonna click on this now. As you can see, AutoTune 2026 Pro vocals in seconds. You shouldn't have to choose between quality and efficiency. AutoTune 2026 gives you the authentic AutoTune sound in an intuitive, CPU friendly package, rebuilt from scratch so you can stay in the flow. All right, guys, this is the latest AutoTune plugin, and I want you to subscribe to the channel because in the next coming videos we're gonna apply this particular plugin on our vocals. As you also download, I want you to go through the plugin, come back and tell me your favorite, why you love the AutoTune, or the thing that you think is not right, or the thing that you think are not right in the plugin. All right, so come back, subscribe to the channel, let me know where you are watching me from. All right, so guys, how do you get this free version? If you scroll down, you're gonna see purchase options. As you can see, AutoTune Unlimited subscription. If you click here, you can actually subscribe. Then We can also subscribe using the perpetual lances. It was 284 euros, but now 142 euros. If you got money to buy this, what I'm gonna tell you is to buy this, because you're never gonna regret buying this particular AutoTune. All right, now we can also check the subscription types over here. We have annual, which is 60% in savings, which is 15 euros per month. All right, so you can actually see, if you buy this, which is 180 euros per year, they're gonna give you mic mode for free. If you don't know mic mode, I have a full video taking you through step by step. You can actually use the mic mode to model your cheap microphone to sound like any expensive microphone. I have a full video there. Watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go back to my channel and watch that. Now you can also see we have monthly subscription, which is 30 euros per month, and that one you're gonna get auto key 2 for free. It's super simple. Then guys, we are here for the free version. All right, so what you're gonna do is to click on try 14 days free, and as you can see, it comes with terms and conditions. Access 20 plus vocal tools, including AutoTune Pro 11 plus the all new AutoTune 2026 and Metamorph. Wait our 14-day free trial. So this means if you click on the 14 days trial, free, you're gonna have access to the latest AutoTune 2026 for 14 days, and after 14 days they're gonna charge you. All right, so as you can see, terms and conditions: 1 trial per user. For new or first time subscribers only, you must provide a method of payment to authorize your free trial. If you don't cancel your free trial before it ends in 14 days, you will automatically be charged 30 euros to begin your paid monthly subscription to AutoTune Unlimited. That's super simple. All right, so what this means, that you're gonna provide your payment details before you try this free 14 days plugin version. All right, and after 14 days or before 14 days, if you don't cancel your payment details, they're gonna charge you for your subscription for that month. It's super simple. So if you are cool with these terms and conditions, as I said, Antares have not sponsored this video. What you need to do is to click on subscribe. All right, and over here we're gonna wait for it to load, but whilst it's loading, let's subscribe to the channel. Let me know where you are watching me from. Help me to gain my 7,000 subscribers. All right, we are building this channel together, guys. It's super simple. So right after here, what you need to do is to enter your email. Okay, after providing your email, the next page you need to provide your payment details, and guys, Antares gonna send you the link to this free version, 14 days free trial, and you can actually use that on your vocals. If you are cool with that, just go and buy the full version of the plugin. Antares have not sponsored this video. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The name is Gosai. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.